The on-balance volume indicator is one of the most underutilized tools in TradingView. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use the OBV plus a trading strategy that can help you make money. Alright, so now let's switch the attention and jump into TradingView. We are currently looking at Bitcoin here, and we are looking at the daily time frame. But as for most indicators, you can use this indicator on pretty much all time frames and pretty much all asset types. One thing I can mention, however, is that the volume works a little bit different in the Forex market. So I would probably say that this indicator is a little bit better used in the stock market and crypto market, but you can also use it for Forex. But now, first of all, how do we open the indicator in TradingView? Well, to open it up, you go up here to the Indicators tab, and then you search for On Balance Volume. And as you can see here, we have a pre-made indicator built here by TradingView, and you also have tons of community built indicators. I'm pretty sure that the pre-made indicator here is available for the TradingView free plan, but some, community made indicators and some other indicators in TradingView are not available on the free plan. But luckily, I actually do have a special link to TradingView. You can use that link to try out TradingView Premium for free for 30 days. And if you, after the trial, decide that you want to upgrade, you will get a $15 bonus. This link will be both in the description below, so check out the description, and it will also be in the top comment of this video. But now, let's open up the on-balance volume. Next, I do want to change a few settings. Mostly here for just for visual. I'm going to make the line a bit bigger. Let's make it purple as well. We do have some more advanced settings, but I do think we won't really have time to go too deep into the advanced settings in this video. But I will definitely make sure to release some more advanced settings to our YouTube channel members. If you didn't know, I'm just going to give a big shout out. We do have a community right here on YouTube where I share more advanced strategies, and you will be able to get access to, presentations, some exclusive videos, even some trading tools. So check that one out if you want to by clicking join down below. But now let's take a look at the price action right here, because remember what we talked about earlier. First of all, we can just mention, as I said, that when we have a move towards the upside, we preferably want the on-balance volume to go in the same direction. For example, right here for Bitcoin, we saw a very strong move towards the upside, and we also saw the on-balance volume going in the same direction. However, you can notice right here, the price was still going upright, but the on-balance volume was going more flat. And remember what we talked about earlier, when we see this can actually be a slight warning sign that the trend might be weakening. But most importantly, remember what we talked about recently. We talked about divergence. This is where the price goes in one direction, the indicator goes in the other direction, and it indicates a potential reversal. And look right here. The price printed one low right here around March, then we printed another low just like 1 month later. So we have a clear low and then a lower low. But if you look on the on-balance volume, you can see that we have one low and then a higher low. So the price prints lower lows, the indicator prints higher lows. This right here is a bullish divergence and indicates a reversal to the upside. So this right here is a bullish signal flashing on the on-balance volume. But what we also can actually do is that we can zoom out a bit here, because remember what I said, that if this signal comes at an important market structure level, it can become even more significant. And if we look here, you can actually see that we had a very clear sort of resistance zone right here. You can see the price, we saw resistance, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, multiple times. We saw selling pressure coming in right here for Bitcoin. But if we extend this level, you can see that we broke this level, of course, right here. But then we went down and tested this previous resistance, right, as support. And we also saw this divergence signal. So we actually had two bullish signals happening at the same time. We can even combine this with price action. You can, for example, see that we saw a bullish engulfing pattern right here. But this is very important. In order to use the on-balance volume more effectively, I highly recommend to combine it with price action and market structure. So I will make sure to link my full market structure trading course right here. It will be in the video card and the description. And I will also make sure to link my full price action trading course in the video card and the description. These courses are pretty long, so you don't feel stressed to go through them. Go through them in your own pace. I'm a big believer in, if you want to really learn something, it's good to be able to do that in your own pace. But I do highly recommend them. All right, so this video was just a short clip from our full on-balance volume trading guide. To watch the full guide, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I'll see you all over there very, very soon.